Graphing exponential functions. This practice test question asks us what transformation has changed the parent function f of x equals 0.5 raised to the x power to its new appearance shown in the graph below. Okay, so it's easier to write this as f of x equals 1/2 to the x power. And I know that this graph is reflected on the y-axis of f of x equals 2 to the x power. Okay, so y equals 2 to x, so we inputted some values of x. If x equals 0, then y is equal to 1. Why? Because 2 to the 0 power is equal to 1. If x equals 1, then y will be equal to 2. If x equals 2, y is equal to 4. So we can just plot that. Okay, so we can just plot that. So let's plot the function before we even reflect it on the y-axis. So 0, 1, right? And then 1, 2, and then 2, 4. Okay, so that's how that function will look like. And the reflected on the y-axis, it would look like that. Okay, so that would be equal to y equals 1/2 x, but we don't have that. We have this, right? We have this function, um, and that function is same thing as this, but shifted 1, 2 spaces down. Okay, so the answer is the first choice. Okay, so what's confusing about this is that when you add to the x, right, you shift it to the left. Okay, so that's the inverse relationship that you have to remember. When it's subtracted, it's shifted to the right. So that could be a bit confusing, but otherwise, just look at the parent function, graph it, and then work on your transformations from there. Hope this helps. Thanks.